the API because we don't know the future.
So, what's the best between SOAP and REST? Actually, it depends on the context.
You are going to write a piece of code for a usage that you don't know.
We have built these foundations. We know what is the architecture for these APIs. Right now, we need to work together with the business to identify opportunities.
API gives the frame for empowerment.
To innovate, you need to have an opportunity meet a capability.
How to standardize the exposition of data and services at a group level, and how to have an overview to detect which APIs are the most used and could be monetized. With the API management,
what we often call the mammoth or the monolith, and we know you cannot simply unplug it, you have to slice it.